What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Nissan Smart Key remote fob. This Nissan remote key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using is a pretty small flathead screwdriver. So the first thing I need to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of the key fob. That's done by pressing this release on the back here that my thumb's on, and then the emergency key will pull out like that, and we can just set that key to the side for now. Now if we grab our screwdriver and we take a look at the very bottom of the key fob, we'll see there's two notches, one right here and one right here. And ideally you want the blade on your screwdriver to be narrower than these notches so it can fit in here like this. I'm going to put it in that notch and then I'm just going to twist my screwdriver. Come over to this notch and same thing, put it in that notch and then twist. And as I do that, it's starting to pop the shell apart. Now I'm just going to take my screwdriver and I'm going to carefully run it in this crack. And as I do that, I'm just slowly working my way around and it's splitting the two halves apart. Once you get them loose enough, you can just pull the two halves of the shell apart like that. And in the back half of the shell, we see our battery right here. There's a little cutout in this plastic battery holder that'll allow you to get your screwdriver in there and get under the battery and get it out like that. Now I'm going to grab my battery and I want to make sure that I'm installing that with the plus side down on the holder like that. Get that snapped into place, and now we can snap the two halves back together. We'll put our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.